In demanding applications where cooling and fluid management are critical, you need a pump that delivers uncompromising performance. That's where the Grundfos LSV split case pump steps in. Built for high flow, high efficiency operation, the LSV is your ideal partner in mission-critical environments. The LSV is available in both 50 and 60 Hz with IE3, 4, 5 motor options for global flexibility. It's not just a pump, it's a future-proof solution designed to set a new standard for sustainable, energy-efficient infrastructure. The LSV is designed to set a new standard for performance. With hydraulically optimized impellers and precision manufacturing, it delivers best-in-class energy efficiency, reduced vibration, and lower noise levels. A heavy-duty shaft and bearings significantly enhance longevity, providing a double bearing lifetime and ensuring stable, low-vibration operation. Rigorous Grade 1 test can be performed on every pump in our factory to guarantee its reliability before it ever leaves our facility. For applications like data centers, the LSV is the superior choice. The compact, vertical design requires a solid foundation for stable, quiet operation, proving that large inline pumps should not be hanging in pipes. This space-saving design is a key advantage, especially where floor space is at a premium. The LSV is designed for easy and efficient maintenance. Its vertical split case design ensures easy access to internal components, while the single wear ring simplifies inspection and maintenance. This product is engineered to order, custom designed and engineered to meet your specific requirements. For a complete operational overview, the LSV can be connected with our CUE drives, which provides simplified programming and commissioning, comprehensive startup guidance, direct mounting advantages. The Grundfos LSV seamlessly integrate with Grundfos cloud solutions via Grundfos Connect. This technology allows for seamless monitoring, predictive maintenance, and real-time data analysis. We believe that true performance extends beyond the pump itself. Our extensive coverage and large service organization are always ready to provide support. We offer maintenance agreements and dedicated assistance to ensure your pump operates at peak efficiency, giving you complete peace of mind. Grundfos LSV and LSV E pumps are built to perform, designed to last.